Welcome to Martinez Design. In the continuation of shopping plaza we're working on. In our tutorial, we're able to do a lot. So we create escalator and this one in the last episode, so you can check on and see. If you are joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. At the same time, you like our tutorial as we are doing it. So in the series, just share it and let people watch as powerful as you can. So let's move on to the order of today, which is I want to first copy this Windows, select all this instance in this view. So say copy to clipboard. I will now go to level 2. I want to put it there. So I will say paste to this current view. So any extra one that appear, I'm going to delete them, like this one. You don't want it to have to go. This one needs to go. This one too needs to go. So because I have different perspective to all this, we work on that one when the time comes. So we shift this one, drag it, then just like dragging your object was need to. So adjustments is still coming for this in the other one. So the next thing we do is that since we have this one in place, this is fitness. So what I just need to do is that I need to copy so that if we spread around, so just copy this from here and paste it in. So the next thing, I need to repeat the same thing others for this way around too, but we'll come back to that later. So let us focus on the part elevation of the external. So I'm selecting this, and select this. So copy to clipboard, then go to level 2 and paste to the particular position. So paste to this current view, so it's aligned here. Can you see? So anyone that is not here, you can do the same thing by copy. Just let's say I'm at the search part now. So since I have this one, it's there already. So if you want to extend this, you get it done like this. So for now, this is the elevation that I'm talking about. So now I like the way this one level. I want to increase it. I'm going to put it like 5. Going to be more level than this. Okay. So we'll do the technical issue to affect that. Now let's say 3D. I have this whole thing bent, but it's not working according to the window. What should I do? So I attach it to the wall, to the roof. So attach that it bends accurately. So all of this other one, level 2. So at this point, I have this one here too, which I need to divide this roof, this particular wall into 2. So I'm going to divide this way. So let that take over. So I will select this and go back to the 3D. Then I will say to attach to the, so it follow through, and this one will be reduced. So select this one to go back to, let me see what is the height of this 3,500. So I'm going to do that again by this, by selecting, just type 3,500, so it'll be the same level. So this will go down. So that's what we have here. So this one you can like adjust them and bring them down later on. Whatever that we want to do to that one, we do it. So this one will just disappear to the phone when we get it. So but for the offices, you can imagine that there's no access to it. There will be access. We create access for everything when we are doing the whole details. So we follow that principle. So but for now, let us focus on the aesthetic value of the whole 3D. So we'll be able to do whatever we want to do. So what else do we need to do? My focus now is the circulating points, so that I want to cover them all before I later work on the next one that I need to work under the remaining areas. So how will I do that? So I will go to start elevation. Let me check on one of the grid I can make use of. So I'm going to use grid 9. So I will go to east now, east elevation. Then from here I will say create and model in place. So model in place, where I'm modeling in place is just generic stuff that I want to do. So it's not like I'm doing one big thing or something. Just can use placements to do whatever I want to do. The material is going to do just what I want to change. So I've chosen that one. So I will go back here and I will say sweep is what I want to use. So I will say select. So it will ask me which one. So I'm going to say grid 9. So it's grid 9 I'm going to use now. So since I have it, this is part of what the whole thing is developing from. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm selecting it from above board, so you get what I'm doing now. So I will select it from the outside part. Yes, I think this is where I have yes, so I will select from there. I will put it above a bit, so it's going to get slanted. Yeah, so you get now it's going to get slanted like this. Okay, then it will landed within this position. Just a formality of what we are doing. So I think with this I'm okay. So if I have it like this now, we say okay, click finish. So let me go to provide. So in provide now, go to level 2 or level 3 to do whatever I want to do there. Let me see how it flows. So this is where it passed to. Starting from here, it's supposed to start from this one, this place, because I want something else to cover this place, just like it is a little bit of okay. Let me finish the profile before I later adjust this so that I will do the needful. So I'm going to say 15. Just let me use 10, so 20 mm pipe will be okay. So it's okay like that. So if I look at it on 3D, do I have any effect of what I have done? I think this one will be okay for me, but let me edit it a bit that I will have something effectful to work with. So edit. So that's what you need to do, increase this. So let me say 20. That's going to be 40 diameter pipe. I think it's okay. Round 40 diameter pipe. So do I have what I need to have at this level? The answer is no. It didn't flow according to where I want it, but I can adjust it since I'm still in 3D. So yeah, I will adjust. So here now I'm going to bring this one to this point. So I will say edit in place. So sketch. So this one I'm going to stretch it. So let me say go to east elevation. At the east elevation, I will like move this a bit inside. Okay, I think this one will fall on the, so I can shift this up a bit so that I'll be able to cover whatever I want to cover it. So I want it to go up. Okay. Then I will just like adjust it. Let me see what I have here. I think it's too long to do the work. So it's supposed to land somewhere here on it. So what I'm not going to do that, like something is missing. Something is missing. So let me see the 3. Let me see the 4. On this level. It's not meeting up with what I want. But it doesn't matter. All I just think is just the old regulation so that it will fit in. So we'll go to the west level. Let me check the meter so we know how to reduce it. Let's say just let's say it's not working. So west. Just reduce it. Okay, I think you can use this one as your parameter. If there's anything other thing than this, you can later work on the side. I've changed my design so I can be adjusting it at any time I upload. I don't want to do that pattern. So I think I prefer this one. So I will say okay, finish. Now you finish it. So go to 3D and see, did it land on, yes, I think it landed where it's supposed to, so you can adjust it a bit. Fine. So come back here and change it. So this is the orientation of which I have. So you can go to west elevation and I say west south elevation. So from south now you can just like start depositing it by duplicating it to a different angle. So I'm going to pick it here. So I'm going to use 4000 spacing. 4,000 not too much, so let me just use 325 spacing. Okay, I think 25 will be fine, good for me. So I will go on by doing that. Select multiple, so bring it here. I just need to be typing 25, enter, 25, enter. It will continue giving 25, enter, 25, enter, 25, enter, 25, enter, 25, enter, till you get to the destinating point. 5, enter. So I think with that, that's what I just need for now. So this one is done for me, so I will go back to 3D and see it. So this is it. The elevation is going to cover, this whole area is going to cover, so I can like move this one to this point as well, to this development position. So you select that, go to site, you can go to site where you're going to see the entire area view. So you select this 3, so you move it from here, then you jump it here. So I think it covers, and it covers again. So when you get this one can later be expanded and things like that. So what we're going to do to this one, we're going to do it later on. So but let it be of this level for now. So as we have done with this, we have this in place for use. So the next thing I want to do is to go to south to east again. So this time around I have something that will guide me through what I'm creating. So what I will just do is that I'll select this and I will use extrusion to do whatever I want to do at this level. So I will say create, and I'll still use the same with line 9 to do that. So this time around now just select this one and say it should go to the reference point that I want it to be. So let's select here. It's going to stay, not going to go from my side. So I'll just say like submit here. That'll be done here. So just like do that. So what did I do? I will say continue. So I will just like offset this one with 30. So with copy, I think that should, so 30 copy will be a perfect something for me. So I will do that, 30 copy. So what I need next is that we just like trim if it's possible, if it has not been trimmed before. So close it up, select this, then close the next one too, to select and close. I think we're done with that. Good. So click finish. When you click finish now, you go to start application. From there you extend your whole thing, then you extend it here as well. Let it touch this place. So this is the package size of the supermarket, and we have this placing to cover up. So after which you can now just select and change the material, the category. So here you change the category of material that you use. Then what will you do? You just like select any glass useful stuff. So let me just use this here in place for aluminum duplicate. I will not change the name. Graphics, I will say to use the rendering graphics. Appearance, I will put the appearance and change it to glass. So from the appearance, which is glass materials, so I'll go with that and say glass material. So I'll select this big glass. If I have any adjustment towards that, I will do that later. So for now, this is how far I can go. So this is the transparency, and this is how it is being covered up, and the other idea will be coming up. So time for watching. This is how far we can go for this tutorial and this episode. See you in the next one where we are going to do sanity to most of them. So God bless you.